Unboxing 4 locomotives that I have bought. They are for spares or repairs, and I think these all seem to be ready to be repaired. So let's see what's in the box. First get it out of the packet. And let's see, that is the top side. Okay. First one, a Lima F45 or FP45. Nice big locomotive, and it is not running. We will have a look why and see if we can get it back on the rails. Second one is a little Lima shunting locomotive. Common problem, the body is loose, the body clips have broken off, and the motor itself is loose within the chassis. No brushes and springs in the motor, but that we can sort out. Not a serious problem either. The third one is a very old Atlas, if it is an Atlas. Cannot make out the I see some missing, oh no, not missing, it's there, the gearbox, but the bottom plate for the cover there, but it is definitely one that will be able to get back on the rails. And the final one is a French locomotive manufactured by Joev with Lima couplers. This may even be Lima. This is actually a Lima and not a Joev. So this could be quite easy to get back on the rails as well. Okay, so there are the 4 locomotives, and shortly there will be videos showing how I go about repairing each one of them.